Good morning. Today is a Saturday and we're going on a boat cruise for 3 hours deep in the middle of the ocean. Caves. We're visiting a couple of caves. We bought floaties because someone can't swim. Me. I can't swim. But this is our view from our hotel. It's day today. Not a cloud in the sky. Man, we've been sick, like this cough and like blocked nose. How long has it been? A week? It's been like a week. Longer. Over a week. We've been trying to fight it, but trying to be strong.
For you guys.
For you guys, yeah. But still no good, eh? But we'll see how we go in the ocean today. We'll keep you in the loop. Today's a good day. There's no wind. It's nice and sunny. No cloud in the sky. We're ready to do it. Wonderful day, eh? Smells like car. Oh yeah, this one. It's a cool car. Look what we got at the back. You live a messy life, man.
Shut up.
Why'd you bring that?
Because you're asking.
That's so embarrassing, man. Why would they tell you that you can't? Got a coffee? Some sandwiches because we're early. This is the first time we're early for something, you know? Does it feel good? He meshes me. Hold that.
Fuck you, Philip.
You ain't coming on this trip. Oh, that's not them.
Is it?
I think it is there. What all the people are.
It is there.
I'm saying, but everyone else is waiting there. That's the guy there. Imagine he's calling me. Where the fuck are you, man? It's a hot day. Huh?
Yeah, it is hot.
We'll go to the beach after this. What do you think?
I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
You're on the boat. Oh, there. Look. The black and the white one. I'm surprised they don't fall in the water or like down the mountain.
Well, I think if they fall down, they don't go back up. They're mounting.
Go, mate.
Okay. It's a great dish. It's called steamed cod. Don't fall in.
We'll catch it.
Yeah.
And then we'll cook it. We'll try. Yeah.
What happens if it actually does fall down?
What is it? What is it?
Sulfur.
What?
Sulfur. Which is good for your skin.
Ah.
It's a tonic island. This is why you see it on the lake. So my question will get
Jump in here.
since you have a girlfriend, that tiny little cave there, you swim through.
What's in there?
See this little cave?
There's little cave, you can swim in.
Ah, yeah.
How long is the tunnel? And you can swim through it. And you come out
That's nice here, man. It's so shallow here. Let's swim here. Can we swim here? Let's go. Let's go.
Don't go, but don't leave without
Don't
us.
drive without us. Alright, let's go. You can go. You go first.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, take it this way, yeah, please. Because how am I going to jump in with this?
Yeah, I'll give it to you. You go in, I'll give it.
Yeah, actually, I get exhausted.
Oh, you did? You want one?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, you get exhausted.
Are you swimming? Is it floating?
Oh yeah, this is way better. Wait, but you need to go first. Wait, this is... You can stand here. Just relax though. It's all good. I'm here with you. You just have to relax, babe. I know it's very hard, but
No, it's not even on.
come. But come here.
Go in that cave, go in that cave.
Yeah.
Go in that cave and we'll get out.
This way. With my knee.
Wait, you need the life jacket in here, huh?
Yeah. Just keep your legs up.
Oh shit! Bro! Look at this! You okay?
Yeah, the jacket has you, but you can just relax and hide your legs.
Holy shit! Huh?
You okay?
Yeah.
You want me to hold it? On the way back?
Yeah.
I was concentrating on not getting it wet.
Right?
Yeah, I wish I had the case for it.
Yeah.
Did you want to get this? Makes it easier.
Oh, thank you.
Babe, hold on.
That was a freaking messed up experience, bro. You know how many places I'm bleeding?
Why? Where else?
Here.
Oh,
Look.
what the hell, babe?
I know what happened, bro.
It's when you were
My
on the
feet,
rocks,
look
lady.
at
I don't think my knee.
It's a mad boat. Oh shit.
I never get like that. Like that hasn't.
Yo, I was so close to vomiting.
Were you?
Yeah, oh, man.
What, like when I left?
The waves are crazy, man. It was all like up and down. It was intense.
I don't want to go back. I'll do that.
But it's crazy how many people are here because of the waves, yeah. But it's just dangerous out there.
I don't know, but like
I think I'd rather drown than be seasick.
from here there is 5.
You said? I think we should eat.
I'll eat when we're back on the island.
Come, let's go for a walk. Let's explore.
I need to just fucking.
I'm gonna go off for a walk. Anyways, woman's died there, bro. That was so scary. Legit, so scary. And I can't swim. So imagine if we drowned, or like if the boat sunk. That'd been crazy. Bro, I can't believe how injured I am. I'm bleeding everywhere. Even my elbow. Look at that. I didn't even feel these happen at the time. It just happened. I feel like everything is like moving. Oh shit. What a mad beach, but that was like a cruise from hell. Legit. Oh, I feel so sick, man. Look at the water. Water looks nice. I feel like if I stayed on that boat for like another 10 minutes, I would have vomited everywhere. Cause that was crazy, man. I don't know how we're gonna get back. I think I'll just explore this beach here by the time. There's not much really to explore. But those caves that we went on were freaking crazy. Don't laugh whoever's watching this if we're wearing life jackets. Bro, it was so deep in there. It was so hard to swim. Like, you could not swim at all. I don't know how there's other people were swimming, but like, I was wearing a life jacket. And I was drowning. Literally, I was wearing a life jacket and I was drowning. So I don't know how the fuck those people swimming with nothing. I don't know. It felt crazy to me. My elbows are killing, like bleeding everywhere. Especially my leg. It hurts so much. I know what I'm gonna do. Legit. I don't even know which one is our boat anymore. Look, there's so many of them.
Man, I was shivering.
Cause of sickness or cold?
Both. And then like I like literally like there was a vomit here. And I'm like,
you know, every time like I was about to vomit, I'm like I would swallow every time. And I'm like, oh, should I close my eyes? It might be better. I closed my eyes. I was about to fucking like pass out. As soon as I'm like this, I'm like, wake up, Philip. It was so scary. And that guy, how fast is he going, bro?
I think he has to, otherwise the wave does
Is this like for us, like if just in case to get lost on the island?
It looks calm, like looking at it.
It's because we're next to sand. But when you're there, it's crazy.
My God, guys, we're not even being dramatic. That was fucking scary.
I can't swim too.
I wanted you to wear your life jacket. Wasn't for me, it's for you. And you're like right at the front.
I'm like, yeah.
Bro, while I'm at like the back, I'm just like, you better like put it on because I can't go. I could get flipped over. What am I gonna do? You're all the way at the front.
No, I wasn't gonna flip over.
Or would you go airborne into the water?
I drank a lot of water when I was driving, bro. Especially when I was at the front. And this other guy was like, just chill. I'm like, bro,
yeah.
stop touching my cuts, bro. What happened on the ship? I saw it's like it's a boat from hell, this trip. Never let me book anything again.
I usually book everything. This is the first time that I actually let him to make like an excursion. And it might be, oh babe, what's on your arm there as well? Fuck. Let us have a look at all of your injuries.
I'll show you my tattoos. Yeah.
His battle scars.
Yeah.
And what's on your
look at this.
Hey.
That.
Oh my god.
I'm cut everywhere. I was about to vomit so close.
I was like, I'm shivering in the back.
Yeah, me too. Also because
Cold and
scary.
scary, yeah. I was praying in my head the whole time. I was just praying. We're not even home yet. We have to get back on that.
We have to go back, yeah. Are we gonna go back?
Can they call us a helicopter?
So we only swam once, that's it.
Yeah. I'm glad, man. Man, you know when we were going into the caves, you know it was actually dangerous?
Yeah, when we hit our head. Yeah,
That's why
I hit my arm. That's where I hit my arm.
That's why I was like, let's get out.
But you know, in the cave, when like, because the waves are going in and out, it lifted me up. I almost hit the top of it. So I went like that. That's what my elbows.
Well, that's why I was like, let's get out.
You'll see in the recording.
Yeah.
Because I was going like this, I drank like half a liter of water. I banged my elbow on the rock.
Bro, I know that I might vomit on the way back.
No, it'll be okay. Eat a sandwich.
Hold that.
Have that fucking coffee. Look at my hands, bro. She bought a coffee, let me
Bro,
drink
the coffee's all over the boat as well.
it looks like some.
It was also making salt.
Someone.
If they gonna do a second chance, are we gonna do it?
Nah.
No?
Nah.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm done.
My husband won't.
You can go by yourself.
I don't want to be on the boat again.
Yeah.
Ever. We're stuck on the island. Dude, it's so windy. Why they even let us go on the strip?
Apparently.
Oh. It's getting worse. The back worse or better?
It's better, but
They're sick and sitting in the back. Make some space, bro.
we can't all be at the back. I find it's so clear. Only on that boat.
And you know what's worse? Because our boat is small too. We feel everything.
Yeah.
Look, he's probably scrolling on TikTok. He doesn't even care. Like, on the boat.
So chill.
He doesn't even care. Bro, I was drinking like liters of water. I was like mouthfuls, like breath in my teeth and shit. Like fucking Listerine. And this guy's just like scrolling on TikTok while he's driving.
But I was holding that girl's arm at one point.
Really?
I was just so sorry. Like this, like not like a little bit. I was like, full like holding on for my life.
It looks like we're like on another episode of like Lost. With the rocks and
Yeah.
shit. Make a fire.
Oh man. Oh, imagine his YouTubing how to drive a boat.
Oh, he's YouTubing how to drive over like extreme weather.
First things first.
Get your boat license. Then find a group to kill on the ocean. Quick lunch break.
Oh.
It's either gonna make me feel better
10 times worse.
or we're gonna make me 10 times worse. Mm.
I want to forget.
You have a cigar, have a sandwich. Look how crazy this place looks, man. I wish I bought my shoes. It's making me feel a little bit better. But I also want a keg for some reason. I don't know why. But now we're gonna get back. It's a cool island, but is that onions? Swear it looks like an onion. They'll go nice with my sandwich. Oh man, I think it is onions, man. It is. Yeah, what the fuck? Bro, it's onion. But it's not ready yet. Yes, I bit that. Ah, man. My whole body is like cut up and injured. Every step I take hurts. Bro, where am I? It's crazy.
Ja, heel mooi.
Look at this place. Oh, that was nice, eh? I don't know how we're gonna get back, man. I don't want to go back. I want to sit down. Alright, this sandwich is going off, but it's so nice. Man, I actually hate the sea so much. It scares the shit out of me. And every time I go in the water, especially like the sea, like jumping off a boat or like something like that, I always manage to hurt myself. Like I always manage to cut my legs, my arms. I always manage to get injured. This is why I don't go on them. But I was forced to do it today. How do you say it's peaceful, yeah? It's nice and relaxing. But it looks like everyone's freaking out on this island because of what's happening. Because the waves right now, the water is moving so fast. It's moving quick. Like so quick. So it's scary. Surviving in the wild. Yeah.
Oh,
It's onion.
wow. Bring it home with you.
It's not ready yet. We're gonna wash it. I bit that one.
Bring it. Oh. Well, don't destroy it if it's not ready. Put it back.
Can't put it back. It's out of the roots now.
It's crazy.
Yeah.
You smell it?
Doesn't smell like onion. It smells like dirt.
No, it smells like onion.
Huh?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Right, let's go. I can hear our boat.
How do you know which one's our boat?
I can hear it.
Survive on island by eating onions. There's a lot of them, hey, look.
Yeah.
There's all onions.
That's good.
But who came here and like planted all these?
Onion people.
Onion people. Man, I'm like full from the sandwich I just ate. I'm gonna get rinsed. Not bad. I'll throw it down here and it's meant to be. Right.
Let's go back.
You ready?
We have a memory of
Yeah, everywhere. It's good luck, it's good luck.
Sorry though.
Way back.
Crazy. You even use them. Can you tell me to keep them?
Safe and healthy.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Take care. Okay?
Yeah.
That was crazy. We're alive.
Good luck, guys. We did it.
Have a good day.
Bye. Have a holiday.
Dude, it's so windy. Bro, you know tomorrow is gonna be very bad. Yeah? Dude, that's the water we're in. Hey? Look at that. That was crazy. See ya. Let's go again. Let's go again now. Bro.
I can't believe they let us on this water.
Yeah.
That's fucking crazy. But no wonder I was gonna freaking vomit, pass out, shit my pants.
Do we get our money back? We went there for like an hour.
Bro, I don't even care. I'm just happy that we're
Yeah,
alive.
actually I don't even care. It wasn't that expensive anyway, it was like $100.
Oh man. I was praying that whole way there, whole way back.
Oh mate. That was
That's scary.
so much dirt in my eye.
Imagine when you're on like a worse kind of case, like
Yeah, that was a mad trip.
bro, that
I'll do it
made
again. Now.
us-
Do you reckon we could have died?
100%.
You reckon?
I've watched videos
Yeah.
where they were on an island. I can't remember what island it was.
Yeah. Can we put down the back?
The boat is driving, whatever,
Yeah.
and then a wave hits them from the left plus the right.
Yeah.
Like it went like this, like the wave here, wave here, wave. And like the boat lifted up and flipped on like the highest point of the wave. That was my worst fear.
I thought that was gonna happen, to be honest with you.
Oh man.
So happy we're alive.
I was like, we just got married. We're gonna be on the news. Like our mum and dad are gonna get a call.
Relax, bro.
I went down a dark path.
That was an experience. At least now we have a cool story to tell.
Exactly right.
Yeah, it'd be fun. But yeah, that was our boat trip from hell. Literally. That was the most craziest experience. Have you experienced like that?
In Thailand, but it wasn't like this scary for some reason.
The waves are
Because here-
crazy, man.
Because you know what, we're on a smaller boat. Like usually when you go on island ones, like it's a lot larger and
Yeah.
it's stabler. But these one, it's a speed boat, which means you get there quicker, but you feel everything.
I was very close to vomiting. So I'll talk to you later. Thanks for catching up. Thanks for watching this video. That was crazy. We survived. We're alive. God bless.